Yeah, just push the knife on through it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Everything is bigger. Well, let's get the pit lit. So I have a chimney here. I put some newspaper in the bottom of it. I'm gonna fill it up with some B&B charcoal, lump charcoal. Light her off, give her a few minutes so those coals get hot. Then we'll dump it, and then add more coals to it. And then add some smoke, add some wood for the smoke. Which today we're gonna use some B&B cherry. And so you got brisket, ribs, cabbage, sausage, and chicken. All right, you got the pit up to temp. Got my barbecue gloves out. Let me tell you, these are the best gloves I've ever had. Not sponsored by them, but they're very good. All right, so our brisket marinated overnight. But this is the rub we're using. Chupacabra brisket maker, not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor, reach out to us. Also, this is a pork butt we've got going on, and it's the extra fancy pork rub. So I'm gonna get all this meat put on there and the cabbage heads. Cabbage heads been split cord. I'm not sure what spices she put on there, and then some bacon and butter. All right, they're seasoned up and on the grill. And we'll wait. Come back, check on them in a bit. All right, that's the color we're at. I'm at 158 on the brisket, on the thicker side. I'm gonna put it in some butcher paper, wrap it up, and let it rip. And this pork, but actually I'm gonna move it a little further down because it's only at 104. And I'm gonna give it some squirt with some apple cider vinegar. That jar is getting hot. Now you can see it's forcing its way out. It's hot. So now we moved on. Now we moved on to the ribs. We got this extra fancy Fiesta rib rub. Works great. You can go use some name brand stuff or whatever you want, but we keep it simple. All right, let me throw these on there. Yes, we cook our ribs for about 5 hours. And yes, a lot of people say they're overcooked, but we like them this way, so you cook them how you like. So the pork butt actually cooked for about 7 hours, and then we pulled it and just started pulling the meat apart. So we cooked the brisket for 5 hours on the smoker, and then wrapped it for another 2 hours, and then we let it rest for another hour. And this is what we got. Yeah, just push the knife on through it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
It's from.
No once daily COPD medicine has the power to treat COPD in as many ways as trilogy.
Wow. Amazing.
Tender and juicy.
Tender and juicy. Smoky, tender and juicy paps.